Today I am going to demonstrate how to buy at dumpsquestions.com. Just go to dumpsquestions.com and search the 20901 exam in the search bar. The search will show you what you need. Just click on the relevant exam and you will be brought to the exam page. Here you can download the demo and also buy the complete dumps file. Let me show you the demo file. To buy, just click on the Add to Cart button and enter your login details, or you will have to sign up if you aren't already a Dumps Questions member. When you log in, you will need to add some further details and select your payment method. We recommend using PayPal. After you are done, click Pay Now and you will be redirected to the PayPal login page and just log in, pay, and you are done. After you pay, a dashboard will be created for you and your bot exams will be there for you to read, learn, download and print.